change the light by the window again. I keep a spare in the left drawer and leave it on when I go back to bed, in case you're still looking for pieces, everything back in its place. Pictures straight on the back wall, nothing left to move out of the way. I wish something would just fall.
But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant, which He swore to your forefathers, as it is today. So tayo po ay, yung po ating amang sumasalangit, o ang Panginoong Jesus, ay nangako kay Abraham na siya may pagpapalain at tayo kasama magpapalam yung sa kanyang pangako.
Backseat of Jessie's car, she made a promise never to fall in love again, or at least not as hard. She fell like stars, a southern summer lit up by the lightning. Only one. Happy birthday to you, Lalo. Happy birthday to you. Yung malakas. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Takes run away. Break your heart so many times.
At eto naman yung sayo. Tanong ko muna, anong masasabi dahil nabigyan ng premyo?
Thank you.
And?
Happy birthday.
Anong masasabi mo dahil nabigyan ka ng premyo?
Thank you po.
And?
Happy birthday.
Only the losers play.
Hep hep! Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep muna! Hep hep! Ready? One more! And go! Hep hep! Hooray sa taas!
It's not as if she had something to prove. No. What's left there to hold on when no one's holding you? Run away! Break your heart so many times.
Inside, we got something going on.
Wish ko kay Isaiah, lumaki lang siyang mabait at maging madasal.
Mahali sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa unungan na sa Panginoon na pinagkaloob sa atin ng araw na to. And sa mga bisita na dumating at darating pa. At sa inyo, sa mga crew, salamat sa inyong kooperasyon. Wish ko lang sa aking anak ay, anak, mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong mami. Napakabait ang batang ito. Wala akong masabi, basta mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong ina. Napakabait. Dahil masaya kami ng iyong mami dahil ikaw ay biglang sumulpot. Yun, mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong mami at ikay mapatapos lang namin at masaya na kami. Ayun, salamat at ikay magamit sa Panginoon balang araw. Salamat.